placing under arrest as deputized to me by the PCTC by virtue of the warrant of arrest issued by the ICC for crimes against humanity. Sir, you have the right to remain silent. You have the right for counsel of your choice. Anything you say will be used for and against you in the court.
The legal basis for my being here, as apparently I was brought here not of my own volition. If somebody else says, kung hindi ibang tao, ikaw siguro, because this is your structure. So you have to answer now for the deprivation of liberty.
Ano naman na, hindi man lang siya kasi anong kaso kung pinag-charge sa kanya. Hindi niya alam. No?
Kahit na PI man,
alam mo, ang charge sa kanya, nasa jargon lang. And then, hindi pa kayo na ano na ganito ginagawa natin. Sumusunod tayo sa sumusunod tayo sa isang entity na hindi na tayo member. Nag-withdraw na tayo. And then, sir, you are the prosecutor general. You know how to exercise due process. Before you can even file charges, you have to file a complaint. We have to file a counter affidavit. We are doing those procedure process. Here we are, being issued the warrant of arrest, questionable warrant of arrest. Ano ang going to say? Sir,
There's naman nung Google, puro pagdating sa trial gun, tatawagin kita sa witness stand. Sabihin ko, you are the person who arrested me. May I know the reason why? Have you read the documents? Or at least, have you read the case? At that time, when you made the arrest?